the lower 60s.
Monroe,
West wind.
Browntown, and The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ionia County in south-central Michigan until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Belding to near Lowell, moving southeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ionia, Belding, Portland, Lake Odessa, Saranac, Orleans, Sebois, Lyons, Muir, Mulliken, Palomo, Hubbardston, Clarksville, Palo, Smyrna. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.